Gallese wrote, "We can certainly explain the behavior of others using our complex and sophisticated mentalizing abilities, and we should add that the neural mechanism underpinning such complex mentalizing abilities are far from being fully understood. Most of the time, though, we do not need to do this. We have a much more direct access to the inner world of others. Direct understanding does not require explanation. This particular dimension of social cognition is embodied in that it mediates between the experiential knowledge of our own lived body and the way that we experience others." And then he cites his own research, stating that embodied simulation, not theory of mind, not complex thinking processes, are at the root of understanding social states. And then that he wants to take the concept of embodied simulation even further and states that it and the mirror neuron system can help us understand action intention in others. This is important because many autistics have difficulties interpreting others' action intentions. And in the past, the explanation for these difficulties has been difficulties with theory of mind. And he goes on to talk about how in his own research with monkeys, not only did the mirror neurons fire when the monkeys observed other monkeys taking specific actions that they then experienced in their own bodies, but that the mirror neurons fired for actions the monkeys anticipated that other monkeys would take in the future, giving the monkeys insight into what other monkeys were going to soon do or what other monkeys' intentions were. Meaning, when they saw monkeys taking action in the present, they could interpret those actions in order to get a good idea of what the monkeys might do in the future, therefore anticipating the monkeys' actions. Many autistics have difficulties understanding what the actions they are observing individuals take in the present might mean about the actions those individuals will take in the future. And Vittorio Gallese is saying that the mirror neuron system and embodied simulation and these processes that go on in our premotor cortex, all before we are thinking any complex thoughts with this top big human brain we have, that these functions of our brain are what are helping us understand social interactions and interpret others' intentions and anticipate their next actions.